Today in front of me Samsung Galaxy M53 and I'll show you how to adjust ringtone volume on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then click here on the sounds and vibration. After that, tap on the volume section and you'll see here the ringtone volume panel. To change the ringtone volume, we should slide to the left or to the right side with our finger that is blue dot. Also, we can do it by the second way. Just first be sure that this feature is turned off, so just switch the volume button controls to the ringtone, and after that, just by press up or down volume button with your finger, we can see also that we can change the ringtone volume. So that also we have the third way how we can do that. Just press up or down volume button and then with your finger manually you can switch also this volume. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.